Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we will be replacing cabin air filter on 2023 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive TRD off-road. First I have a air filter here. That's the part number for the air filter. Then you open glove box. If you see here, there's a cover. It says a slide up. To remove, you just simply pull from here up. This cover will come off. Then you will see another cover. There's a clip on the side. Just pull from this side too. Squeeze it inside and pull. That's a cabin air filter. Just take it off. Simple. You can vacuum out before you put new one and make sure it's clean. Then we will put new one. I got new filter. If you see some arrow, it says airflow sign up. We will just slide in, and now we will put all the covers back. We will follow the same step we followed to remove and reverse. First, the cover we remove after. It just like this, it goes up, and now time to put this cover here. You see click, and last part we will put this cover back same way. For this cover, if you see, there's two tabs on the side. Those tabs go first in, then up, then you can just drop in. There is, we done. We have replaced cabin air filter on 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road 4x4. Thank you for watching. See you in next video with a new topic.